Tech Stories, subscribe now. Hi everyone, I'm Lopa and today I'm going to be talking about the Mi 12 Ultra 5G. This is one of the best smartphones on the market today. What makes it so special? Well, let's take a look at some of its many features. This video is about the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G. I'm going to unbox this phone and show you its features. I'll also be telling you about the first impression of this phone. Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G 2022 movie preview, full specification and review. This video will provide you with a preview of the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G and full specification and review. Unboxing Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G and give a quick hands-on review of the device. The phone features a 6.39-inch AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 1080x 2340 pixels and a 19.59 aspect ratio. The device is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 855 SoC, coupled with 6 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded via microSD card, up to 512 GB. This is the best phone you'll find on the market. It delivers fast speeds and takes great pictures. You can't go wrong with this one. All you have to do is press play, and I'll show you everything you need to know. The upcoming Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G, that will be launched in India on March 31, 2022, expected. The camera specifications of this upcoming phone are really impressive. On the front, the mobile is expected to feature a single camera setup on the rear. It will have 108MP plus 48MP plus 48MP cameras that will let you click some mesmerizing pictures. And on the front, the phone is touted to sport a 20MP camera for clicking selfies and making video calls. Various connectivity options on the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G are touted to include Wi-Fi yes, Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth yes, V5.2, and 5G, supported by device, network not rolled out in India. 4G, supports Indian bands, 3G, 2G. Moreover, sensors might include accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. For the color options, the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G smartphone may come in ceramic white, ceramic black colors. The Mi 12 Ultra 5G is one of the best smartphones on the market today. We hope you enjoyed our unboxing and first impressions video, and we encourage you to check out all of these videos for more information about this phone. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comments section, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you next time. Thank you for being with us.